Brothers on the Wheel, ang trending maxi scooter ngayon ng Skygo Philippines, the Bolt 150 na may presyong 115,000 pesos. Pinatatakbo nga ito ng 150cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine na naka-fuel injected ang fuel system with a maximum torque of 11.8 Nm of torque and 12 HP in maximum power. Color digital meter ang ating panel with the smart key system, USB charging port, and of course, pormadong LED lights in lighting system ng scooter. Macho and bulky ang body structure ng Bolt 150 with the friendly seat height na 760mm lang and 141 kg in dry weight. Malaking tangke naman ang ating makikita sa floorboard ng scooter na 13 liters fuel tank capacity. 13 inches alloy wheel mags naman ang gulong ng scooter na may tire size na 110/70 in the front and 130/70 in the rear. Pinahihinto naman ito ng disc brake sa magkabilang gulong at sayang wala pa itong ABS or CBS features. At suportado naman ng conventional telescopic fork sa harapan and dual shock naman sa likuran.